Good morning, everyone. It is June the 12th, 2017. Time to kick off another trading week. And we have our usual Monday morning news, which is nil. Most economic news is not put out on Mondays anywhere in the globe to give traders, market makers time to come in, assess what's going on, getting ready to trade for the week. So that is the case today. The selling that went on around the globe was follow-through selling from the weakness in our tech sector on Friday. Bank stocks and tech stocks around the globe suffered too. So let's start with our disclaimer. Hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Also, since the trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are also subject to the factors designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profit or losses similar to those shown. Okay, so today's biggest event's going to be the 3-year at 11:30 Eastern, 10-year at 1300 Eastern. Tomorrow we get the 30-year, and then Wednesday FOMC. And everybody expects the Fed to increase interest rates by 0.5%. That, I mean 0.25%, 25 basis points. That in and of itself is negative, but they have to move the paper. So there's two scenarios that I can see happening right now. One of them, the dealer community just hedges, they sell it today, they sell it tomorrow, they sell it into all auctions. They're short. The Fed raises interest rates on Wednesday, and they cover those shorts and move the paper that they should have moved, could have moved today and tomorrow. And we have a rumor fact trading situation. The other scenario is, and we should have our answers, by probably 10:30 Eastern today, is that they do the normal manipulation of the 3 and 10-year paper to move the 30-year paper. So the 3-year auction would be up, 10-year auction would be a little weak, and then tomorrow's 30-year auction would find buyers. So we have two possible scenarios right now. Right now, given the weakness in equities, I believe that it's supportive. Our first resistance band is 12 to 16. That's where we might expect sellers. 19 to 23 would be better for us, picking up this area. Right there, that would be the area I'd be most interested in selling would be the 20 to 24 area. On the buy side, 1 to 5 stands out. That would pick up that low for buy 1. We'll put a question mark at 8. A lot of it just depends on what the E-mini does. And then 25 to 29 for buy 2. The sister of Charlie, who is the noof that we took care of, went swimming this weekend, and they love the water, and so the female, she checks in at about 80 pounds right now, was playing at the side of the pool and fell in, and she promptly found her bearings and managed to get out of the steps, and then they couldn't keep her out of the pool all weekend long. So if you get a newfie or they do love the water. But that would have been fun to see. A lot of dogs, if they fell in the pool, would stay 15 feet away from the pool for the rest of their lives. But accidentally falling in for a Lancer was that, hey, let's do that again. They are a mess. Okay, first resistance is going to be, we'll just make it 4 to 8. So 11.15 sell 1. And we'll make it 23.29 sell 2. Because I don't know exactly how the 3 and 10 year combination will be played today. 24.28 number 1. 17 to 21 buy 1. And then 9 to 13 buy 2. Gold was off a little bit. Hey, life is good. No reason to own gold, right? But again, we're faced with not a lot of news over the weekend, and you can see we have pretty good support. So we like 65, 67 as a buy zone. We'll keep it. And then 60 to 62 is buy 2. Leaning against this high volume number right there. 74, 76 sell 1. 79.81 sell 2. Europe was quiet. The articles out of Europe was Merkel was in Mexico talking about the wall to be built on our border. Boy, Trump just gets it on all sides. Some of it he deserves, for sure, from his tweets and the rest of it. But he's being sued by the attorney generals of Washington, D.C. and Maryland because of foreigners who come and stay in his hotel, or state officials that come and stay in his hotel. So the Lilliputians are on full attack out there. He'll know what Gulliver felt like when this is all over. Okay, 30 to 40 sell 1. 50 to 60 sell 2 on the euro. 112 even. Now make it 95 to 05 buy 1. And then 11.75 buy 2. Death by 1,000 cuts is what Trump's going under through these days. It's unprecedented. Nobody's ever been treated like this. And it won't end well for one of the parties. And I don't know which one it is. You'd have to guess it'd be the Republicans. It won't end well because they're so inept. Okay, looking at crude. Crude's come back. We've got, again, this very clean break. 46.50 to 47 is prime sell territory. They have not gotten stops below 45. We thought that was a play. Now, what you have is, if you have an obvious target, and in our case it was 45, if they stop it above that, everybody knows that the play was 45. And so those that want to be long will come in early to make sure that they get filled. And I believe the low is 45.20 on that. So that's right now we probably have pretty good support without a new piece of news. in the 45, 45, 50 area. Crude trades in $2 to $3 increments, so 45.20 takes us to 48.20 on a $3 increment, takes us to 47.20 on a $2 increment. So this 47 and a quarter, 48 and a quarter is prime sell territory. Got this low here, we got that low there. We're already above this 2-letter ledge, so we'll make 46.75, 47, sell 1, 47 and a quarter, 47.50, sell 2. The breakout came from 46.17, so 46 even, 46 and a quarter, buy 1, and 45.50, 45.75, buy 2. Okay, the FANGs, Facebook, Amazon, Netflix, and Google were blamed for the selling around the globe. The selling that started in our markets on Friday. Tech sector was weak. Will that continue? So we've got pretty good support in this 24.15 area, give or take. Right now we're at 22. So 15 to 17 buy 1. Picking up this area right there, and then 10 to 12 by 2. That would allow them to get stops beneath that level. On the sell side, got a London high right here at 26, so 25, 27, sell 1, and then 29, 31, sell 2. I see a trading range, early down bias. If we don't break this area, if this area holds as support, then we can trade from the long side. And this market, I don't think anything's changed. I think that people are going to stay long until the Trump's tax package is released, and then we'll have a rumor fact trading situation. Okay, it's going to take a bit to get everything up and posted. I'm going to get busy with that. I will be back with you as soon as possible.